Stand up, please. Greeting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine and you?
I'm fine today too, and I'm happy today. I hope you're also in healthy and happy today. Saya juga harap Anda dalam keadaan sehat hari ini dan bahagia hari ini. Okay, sit down please. Okay, now before we start our lesson today, we will the prayer please. Okay, Satika, please the prayer.
Before we start to study, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman.
Amin. Okay, thank you. I will attention your name. I call your name one by one. Okay, Dimasya,
Present, Miss.
Kaila, Sakila, Amsila, Dila, Rahmawati, Sarifah, Nikita, Sabrina, Sartika, Irfazrin, Dewindi, Tri Yulianti, Isra, Hardianto, Farel Ardiansa.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Next is sing a song about Garuda Pancasila. Sebelum kita lanjut ke materi, kita bersama-sama menyanyikan lagu Garuda Pancasila. Stand up, please. Stand up, please.
Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsamu. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsamu. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju.
Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay. Next. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I want to ask. What do you think? No, I want to ask. What do you think? And no, I want to ask is, do you still remember the purpose before we start our lesson today, how do you know about the material today? Siapa yang tahu materi hari ini? Ayo, siapa yang tahu materi hari ini?
Chinese.
Apa?
Descriptive text.
Descriptive Descriptive text is descriptive text adalah salah satu teks yang menggambarkan tentang orang atau describing in someone. Jadi today the learning in about descriptive text. Hari ini kita belajar tentang descriptive text. Oke. Descriptive text. Okay, before we continue our material today, please your ice breaking. We will in ice breaking. Kita melakukan ice breaking dulu. Ice breaking tentang ice breaking. Clap your focus. Okay, stand up please. Okay, stand up please. 1, 2, 3. Clap your focus.
Listen.
I understand.
Focus.
Okay, sit down please. Okay, next. I will play the video.
My sister's name is Maria, and she is 23 years old, and she works in an office. She's tall and has long, brown, wavy hair, and she has green eyes. Sometimes wears red glasses. She often reads books in the library. When she does read, you can sometimes see her in the gym. She likes to exercise 2 or 3 times a week. Because she likes to exercise, she is thin, strong, and healthy. She is also a very funny person, and she loves to talk with people and make them laugh, so she has lots of friends. Maria has a big, friendly smile, and I think she is a beautiful person. Everyone loves her, and, of course, I am very happy that she is my older sister.
Okay. How about the video? How about your video? Ini videonya tentang apa? Videonya tentang Maria. Videonya tentang Maria. Maria is descriptive. Apa ini? Oke, descriptive text. Oke. How doesn't he look like? Bagaimana penampilannya Maria? Ayo. Okay? How does he look like in the Maria?
Has long brown white hair and she has green eyes.
Okay. And then what the characteristic in the Maria? Apa? Siapa yang bisa? Okay?
Red book in telebrand, say little extra 2 or say still a week. She is thin, strong and has friendly smile. She is beautiful person.
Okay. Today Maria is on in the Maria. Maria memiliki rambut yang berwarna coklat, terlihat cantik dan matanya berwarna hitam. And then what the characteristic in the Maria? Maria suka belajar atau suka Jadi tujuan dari descriptors itu adalah untuk menggambarkan atau mengungkapkan ciri-ciri benda, tempat, dan orang, and then hewan. Dan tanpa ada riset atau penelitian secara langsung, kita bisa menggunakan atau memberikan atau menggambarkan orang atau tempat itu tidak usah untuk penelitian begitu. Maksudnya Anda bisa dapat menggambarkan atau membayangkan apa yang ingin Anda gambarkan begitu. Misalnya, saya ingin describing in your Wati. Oke, Wati penampilannya seperti apa? Dia tubuhnya, kulitnya terlihat hitam manis, and then dia terlihat cantik. Oke, ada karakteristik Indrawati. Dia punya sifatnya anaknya baik, tidak suka melawan, orangnya ramah. You understand? Okay, next. The structure in descriptive text. The structure in the descriptive text in the two identification and description. Identification is introduction in the topic general, and then descriptive text is introduction in the topik apa yang diidentifikasi mengenai penampakan fisik, and then kualitas atau perilaku umum yang tadi contohnya tadi seperti apa. Nah, sudah? Jadi contohnya seperti apa? Sifatnya seperti apa? Perilakunya tadi bagaimana? Dia anaknya yang baik hati. Oke, next. Okay, the structure and descriptive text. The use of the simple present and the use of the adjective, the use in the linking verb and the use of adverb. Oke, yang pertama, simple present atau simple present tense it is something, and then the use of adjective atau kata sifat, for example, and then why the strong link, and then the use on linking verb atau kata kerja penghubung, and then for example, he is the handsome and the smile nice, and then before the use of adverb atau kata keterangan, and then for example, he is the very handsome, dia terlihat sangat ganteng. Okay, next. I give your group in the group for group. Again, group 1 is for the people, and jadi saya akan membagikan Anda dalam beberapa kelompok. Jadi kelompok 1 atau semua kelompok terdiri dari 4 orang. Oke, in or group. description. Jadi deskripsinya, descriptive in more body that someone is Adi and I call him Adi. Itu adalah teks deskripsi tentang saudara laki-laki. Anda ditentukan identification atau description-nya. And then ada beberapa pertanyaan di dalam teks deskriptif, yaitu please analyze the text and the term object described, and then please define the adjective used in the text, please define the linking verb in the text, please define the adverb used in the text. You understand?
Yes.
Please you read and be careful. The discussion with your group, analysis the text decide on the generic structure and description text. Teksnya sudah ada yang tentang apa tadi? My brother. Oke, tentukan identification-nya dan deskripsinya. Oke, the next ada pertanyaan dalam teks tersebut tentang teks tadi yang my brother tadi. Oke, please the discussion with your group. Write the spelling or text about the someone your discover and the performance and your favorite teacher. Anda diminta untuk mendeskripsikan guru favorit atau siapa saja, orang terkenal kah? Okay, please divide the writing on the student worksheet. Please divide the lesson and the content ideas. Oke, nanti di description and the identification. Jadi next, any question? Ini, and then ini sudah ada petunjuk. Oke, descriptive text about the someone atau the people. Jadi Anda diminta untuk mendeskripsikan teks tersebut, yaitu my brother. Nah, ini identification and description. Oke, next ada pertanyaan tentang my brother tadi, teks deskriptif tadi. Ada 4. List the analyzing the text of the object descriptive and define the adjective used in the text. Redefine linking verb used in the text. Redefine the adverb used in the text. Okay, they write the simple dialogue and talk about the famous person and your favorite teacher. Jadi Anda minta untuk menggunakan atau you describing in our teacher, your friend atau orang terkenal. Jadi Anda minta untuk mendeskripsikan guru favorit dalam menggunakan dialog. You understand? Yes. Okay. Good. ice breaking. Sebelum kita presentasi tentang kelompok-kelompok masing-masing, kita ice breaking dulu. We will ice breaking first. Okay? Stand up please. Okay, stand up. Okay, stand up. Okay. Do you remember is the ice breaking? Masih ingat ice breakingnya? Masih semangat?
President of the Republic of Indonesia. He had met Mirvel in love where he saw her on a TV station. Gilang Dirga was born on Agustus 1989, which means he was around 30 years old.
30 years old.
He is a present comedian as well as actor. His talent has also been recognized by many public.
People.
Description: Erlich Hayhouse has a beautiful well was recently reported to Bergen. His well is Ahmed Adi. His grade in Indonesia is quite promising. His is evident by the strong appeal of Gilang Dirga on several TV stations. Whether as a host or guest star, these are one of the biggest outside that he has his own study for cutting for his biggest.
Next. Okay. Any question in group 1? Ada pertanyaan untuk kelompok 1? Ada tidak? Now everyone? Any question or? Ada pertanyaan tidak untuk kelompok 1? Oke. Jika tidak ada pertanyaan, for next is close is your group. Oke, tutup.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, give applause for give applause for group 1. Ada yang untuk kelompok 1? Oke, next group. Oke, next presentation group 2. Oke, presentation group 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, next.
She is also my favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher. Describing about my favorite teacher. Okay, next.
She is 25 years old, which looks younger than Megan. She is a passionate and polite teacher. Although she is very shy
Foreign and music.
Teksnya nyantol di atas lah. Oke, next.
And music that about their big when staging. It's so different from that was the rest I was at.
Untuk dus, sit, nice, Ayo listen now. Dengar? For studying or studying of that say that there.
Yes, the upgrade says non favorite lecture. The Hopper is Einstein, elective and routine teaching was.
Santai relax aja, jangan takut ya. Bapak sedih dan dulu. Amin. Oke, sudah? Finish? Oke, give answer. Group 2 dan group 2. Oke, ada pertanyaan untuk group 2? Ada pertanyaan untuk kelompok 4? Oke, Rahmawati. Give answer Rahmawati group 1.
What is the target about in the dialogue text?
Dialogue about the teacher.
Oke, dialog about the teacher. Jadi mereka mempresentasikan teksnya dialog describing or dialog describing and the people tentang guru favorit. Mereka sedang berdialog tentang tadi guru favoritnya. You understand?
Yes. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, Oke, applause for group 1. Oke, sit down please. Thank you. Okay, now the after is in the presentation about your descriptive text. Tadi adalah salah satu contoh tentang descriptive text. Group 1 describing or about siapa tadi? Girda. Girda itu dia suka meniru suara orang, terus suara binatang atau suara apa tuh dia bisa. Oke, next. Itu adalah salah satu contoh descriptive text. Oke, and then tadi group 2 presentation about descriptive text tentang apa? Tentang apa tadi? Group 2, kelompok 2 deskripsinya tentang apa? Tentang apa tadi? Group 2 presentationnya tentang apa? Ayo. Apa? Ini my father. Apa? Itu guru favorit. Guru favoritnya guru matematika. Jadi mereka mendeskripsikan atau mendescribing atau menggambarkan tentang tadi guru favoritnya guru matematika. Berarti kelompok 2 mereka suka dengan guru matematika. Dan guru matematikanya bilang dirga atau orang apa? Terkenal. You understand?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, next. I will give your. Saya akan berikan kalian dengan KPD mandi. Tapi kerjanya di rumah. Home is work home. Jadi kerjanya di rumah. And then I will develop in the fluency. Okay. No. Oke, mengingat waktunya masih ada, I give on your is lembaran kerja. I will you write in there you describing about your friend. Jadi ini masih ada waktu sebelum saya mengakhiri pertemuan hari ini. I want to ask your describing about your friends. Jadi apa tadi? Describe about your friends. Anda mendeskripsikan tentang teman favorit kamu, and then describe and get the text. Tapi deskripsinya dalam bentuk teks, bukan gambar. Bukan gambar rambutnya, bukan. Pokoknya the text. Contohnya atau for example about I want to describe it about Nikita. Nikita rambutnya panjang, hidungnya tinggi. Pokoknya in Indonesian. You describe it about in Indonesian. This in Indonesian no. In English. I'm sorry. First, please to describe your favorite and describe it in your favorite your friend. Jadi deskripsikan tentang teman kamu. Tapi dalam bentuk apa tadi?
Tulisan.
Bentuk
Tulisan.
You understand?
Yes.
5 minutes. Oke. Ingat masih ada waktu. Please you describing about your friends. Sudah? Oke, no, that's it in. Berarti is kerja sendiri-sendiri, bukan kelompok lagi ya. Masing-masing mendescribe about your friends. Jadi masing-masing temannya describing atau mendeskripsikan tentang teman Anda. Oke. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Okay. 5 minutes. I give you 5 minutes. Berikan kamu dengan waktu 5 menit. Describe your friends. Describing in friends. Describing about your friends. Okay. Describing about your friend. Any question? Okay, penjelasan and descriptive text. Okay, penjelasan and descriptive text. The material about the people is that this is text and the describer on this script, describer and the someone. Jadi Anda diminta untuk mendescribe someone. Someone itu mendeskripsikan tentang orang. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next. And then in the and the specific and the strong and physical appearance and the personal characteristic and descriptive text about the people with adjective and to prevent and clear the vivid picture and the order that represent the image. The profile being described is all they were the thing and the color. Oke, jadi kesimpulan dari hari ini yaitu mendeskripsikan orang. Dan tadi tugas mandirinya apa tadi? You diminta untuk mendescribe your friend. Jadi siapa yang mendeskripsikan tentang siapa? Tadi misalnya siapa? Nikita mendeskripsikan tentang Wati. Jadi Watinya itu penampilannya seperti apa dan karakternya itu seperti apa. Jadi itu adalah salah satu contoh descriptive text atau describing in your friends. And then you the describing in and then is the point of the descriptive text. Poin-poin apa yang terdapat dalam descriptive text? Apa? Yang pertama apa? Oke, begini.
My purpose to provide a clear and detailed description of a person's behavior and intention of personality.
Oke, the point of descriptive text. The first is the purpose. Itu tujuan dari descriptive. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Any question?
No.
Okay. Next. Apa lagi?
Chinese
Okay. What is? Stand up.
adjectives are used to describe a person's characteristics such as tall, short, friendly, ugly, smart, and so on.
Okay, give us one. What is descriptive text? Main purpose and the use of objective. Menggunakan kata sifat. Okay, next. Apa lagi?
Chinese.
Okay.
Text. Today usually consists of an identification, a general information about the person, and a detailed description of the physical appearance, traits, and behavior.
Okay, give us one. Give us that. Okay. Itu adalah teks teks structure atau struktur dalam teks tersebut. Okay, next. Siapa lagi? Okay, Nikita. Please give applause for Nikita.
Rider can clear images
the people have the border understand and the people that quest and that is the individual from the tile and people that deeply person and demikian adalah salah satu atau teks deskriptif tentang orang yang membantu kita untuk memahami tentang teks deskriptif. Oke? So, teks deskriptif itu adalah tadi contoh-contohnya. You describing or your friend. Tadi ada juga describing or siapa tadi? Nadia? Lain. And then tadi teksnya tentang Maria. Oke, itu adalah salah satu contoh teks deskriptif. And then, oke, teks deskriptif itu tadi sudah menggunakan the use in adjective and then our verb, simple present. Sudah? You understand? Any question? Okay. Before the closing in the material today, I will and then I want to ask, what the meaning of descriptive text? Apa itu descriptive text? Oke, apa itu descriptive text? Apa? Suara sebesar. Apa itu descriptive text? Apa? Ayo Tika. Ayo, descriptive text is apa? Descriptive text adalah teks yang menggambarkan tentang orang, benda, and then hewan. Tidak perlu Anda untuk penelitian. Anda hanya bisa untuk membayangkan apa yang ingin Anda deskripsikan atau describing atau apa yang ingin Anda gambarkan. Misalnya tadi contohnya saya sudah buat banyak tadi. Jadi itu adalah salah satu contoh descriptive text about describing someone atau some people atau yang mendeskripsikan tentang orang. Oke, deskripsikan tentang orang itu adalah salah satu yang tadi sudah banyak. Ini ada tugas individunya, ada beberapa yang Anda sudah berikan. Itu mendeskripsikan tentang your friends. Oke, before we get closing in the material today, I give your and then learning to the last meeting atau next week. Selanjutnya kita akan mempelajari tentang descriptive text about describing in animals. Itu deskripsikan atau mendeskripsikan tentang apa? Animals itu apa? Hewan. Hewan. Give us one. Okay. Jadi so describing next meeting the learning about descriptive text about describing in apa tadi? Hewan. Tentang hewan. Jadi kita selanjutnya akan mendeskripsikan tentang